Hello, my lovely bird. Oh, sorry. What? You don't like being on camera? You don't like it? Well, too bad, because you're gonna be on camera every single day. Yeah, for the rest of the summer. You're nice. Yeah. Woohoo! It is Thursday, the 20th of June, 2013, and, I feel like yelling something out of the window. How does this thing open? So what should I yell? I gotta find something useful to yell. Something that makes sense. Something that people would like to hear me yell. What should I freaking yell? Natasha's so cool! Yeah, that was a good one. Yeah, because it's true, Natasha. You are cool. Yeah, you are. Yeah, bro. You are. Meet Toby. This is Toby. He's an electric kettle. I press this button over here, and he could make water hot. He could boil it. Yeah. Oh yeah. Toby is awesome. But right now, since it's summer, who needs boiled water? So, no use for you right now. We'll get back to you in winter. Hey, I'm planking this chair. Oh yeah, bro. Yeah. Ah, this is kind of easy. But it's scary. Scary. I guess you've noticed that today was a boring day, which means that this vlog is boring too. I am really sorry about that. It's just that, I don't know, nothing interesting happened today, and I couldn't think up any fun stuff to do other than yelling out of the window and stuff. Yeah. So I'm really sorry about that. I am telling you, it will not be like this for the rest of the summer. It's gonna get better and better. And I also guarantee you that next week is gonna be full of fun and excitement. I guarantee you. There are lots of stuff that are gonna happen, and they're all gonna be interesting, you know? Though I'm not gonna tell you what they are right now, because you'll eventually see, you know? Yeah. So, just so I could make the ending of this vlog cool, I'm just gonna go down and ask my father to give you, you know, like quote or advice. Just the same way that my cousin gave you that Pokemon human thingy theory of hers. Okay, so my father did not have anything to say, no quote, no advice, so it was kind of useless to beg him to say something. But instead, he gave me his new mobile to show you. He got this like a week or two ago. It is a Samsung. I don't know what kind of Samsung, but it's pretty cool. This is the front over here. I think you swipe it. Yeah, and it's on right now. Those are like the stuff over here. Like here's the camera. Oh. So hey, this is the camera of the mobile. Let's turn it to video. Start. Hey, I'm vlogging with this mobile phone. It's kind of strange, but yeah, you can see me. Stop. This? Oh yeah, so let's watch that. So here's the video. Well, I guess the quality is not that good, but it's pretty good for a mobile phone actually. How do I go back now? Nah! And it keeps on making those sounds, although the sound is fun. Huh. Yeah, so that's my father's mobile phone. I hope that made up for... Yeah. Well, like I said, it's not gonna be like this boring anymore. I'm gonna try to make this the last day that is ever gonna be boring this summer. I'm gonna try, you know? I look stupid, don't I? Trying to work with this thing. So yeah, there it is. Oh, there was YouTube. Oh no. What did I do? Ah! Yeah, it's alright, you know? Yeah, so that's the mobile phone and that's all. Yeah. See ya!